Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a quick hair tutorial. This is just a hair tutorial that you can wear every day and dress it up, even for a date night. And I love wearing big bows. And I know I'm an adult, but I don't care. I love the way big bows look in hair. So this is going to be our accessory for today. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first we're going to start out with brushing our hair. I just use my bamboo brush. I got this one on Amazon and it is the Ambassador brush from Germany. And so once you have your hair all brushed out, I kind of split it and then pull it all forward. I like my part just where it falls naturally. I know it's not straight or anything, but I think it kind of creates a little bit of a nicer look. And so now I'm just going to start taking hair from, about 2 or 3 inches back and just grab a section about that much. And now I'm just going to split it into 3 and do a Dutch braid. So you just split it into 3 and then you're going to take, and pretty much under your middle strand, you're going to just keep pushing the strand underneath until you braided it all the way through. And you can do this loose, it doesn't need to be perfect. We'll just do this all the way through. Alright, so I'm going to stop at about here, and then I take all the strands and I gather them together, and now I just pull. So you just want to pull to start separating and thickening the braid. You don't have to worry about this being perfect. We're going for more of a messier look anyway. Okay, so then we're going to take a clear elastic and we're just going to tie that off. Okay, and it should just hang kind of right down on the center, right over there. And then we're going to go to the other side. And same thing, we're going to go a little bit back. We're going to grab a section of hair. And you don't have to worry about this being perfect or equal to the other side. So we're going to grab about a similar section. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do another Dutch braid on this side. So separate it into 3 and then all the strands go underneath the center strand. And just go all the way down. Okay, and then you should have just a small stranded braid that goes straight down, and I'm not going to separate this one, we're just going to tie this one off, and so we're going to keep this as a tiny thin braid. Okay, so now you should have the small thinner braid on one side and then your thicker braid over on the other side. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hair, so you're going to want to find the points from where these are, take your fingers and put it underneath, and then you're going to just gather just the hair in your crown from there up. So then I just take this and I separate it. So it's almost like doing a half up, half down, but just from the tails and then over. And then I am going to take just a regular hair tie with this that's on my wrist. And I'm just going to tie. And then once you have it tied, you're going to pull down just a little bit. And then right in the middle, you're going to make a hole like this. And then you're going to take the hair and flip it through that hole to kind of make that kind of twisted up look. So now it should look like that. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we take this braid and we tuck it. You're going to take it and then you're going to tuck it, follow it on that line. So you find this rubber band, And then you're going to do the same thing with this one. Take this one, pull it till you find that side over there as well. And make sure that they're tucked under the twisted part. And then you're going to take your big bow, and this one has a built-in clip on the back. And then I just take the clip and I gather all of that in there and just push down on the clip until it locks. And then you should have the final look. So that is the final look, and I normally wear this hairstyle with my hair curled just because it creates a lot more movement in the front. My hair is naturally, this is my hair naturally, it's very stick straight. So I normally do curl my hair with this look because it does create a lot of nice movement and it looks very romantic with all the braids and the twists and everything with it. So that is something that you can add to it as well. And yeah, super simple and easy. That took pretty much 5 minutes. So if you guys need a quick, easy hairstyle, there you go. So go ahead and like this video and subscribe. Feel free to share it with anyone that you think would like to do these hair tutorials as well. And then don't forget to stay tuned for more videos coming soon for you.